Hey guys, Steve at Carbonite Saber Systems here again, another saber up for sale. I'm very happy to announce that this is the first purple saber that I will be offering on the market. I know it's a long time in the coming and a lot of people have been asking me about this, so I apologize for the delay, but it is now available. Pretty typical of most of my builds. You'll be seeing a lot of the same things that you've come to expect from me. I have the illuminated anti-vandal switch. Alright, now I have a blue one in there, but there will be a purple one in there when I sell the first one of these units. Has a brass fitting for the set screw, 700 milliamp 5-watt LED. Actually two LEDs, a blue one and a purple one, or I'm sorry, a blue one and a red one to equal purple on the blade. On the back of the units, it has my newer open port design. Take the blade out here so you can show you in the light. But basically, that open port design is much louder on the front of it. This particular one has threaded emitter. Go ahead and turn it on so you can see it. I really kind of like the way it plays with the light there. And if you look down in there, you can kind of see hints of red and blue, which is of course how I'm achieving the purple. As always, it will come with a blade. The blade is removable, obviously. Has full motion and impact sensors. I know everybody's been asking me for a long time, hey man, when are you going to make a purple saber? This is something that we want. Well, gentlemen, the wait is over. Here it is. And pop the blade back in. Turn down the set screw. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. Oh yeah. This thing is pretty. I like it. It makes me happy. Looks a little bit red in the video, but trust me, in person, that is all purple. And thanks for watching.